We'll start at the Chase login screen to transfer your Ultimate Rewards points to a travel partner. Before logging in, have your Chase credentials, your destination loyalty account number, and a minimum 1,000 point balance ready. Then enter your ID and password to sign in. Having your target loyalty number ready before you begin prevents the Chase portal from timing out due to an activity, keeping your secure session active while you work. Once you're logged into your main dashboard, look toward the bottom right of your credit card panel to locate the Ultimate Rewards section. Click directly on the Ultimate Rewards icon to enter the primary rewards interface. This brings you to your specific card's rewards menu. Near the bottom of the list, look for the row labeled Transfer to Travel Partners. Click the arrow on the right side of that option to move into the transfer tools. This page displays the complete directory of Chase's travel partners. You will see options ranging from British Airways to Singapore Airlines. Scroll through this list and select the specific partner program where you want to route your points. Navigating into this dedicated portal is necessary because transferring points to external partners often yields a much higher return on your spending than standard cashback redemptions. After selecting your partner, in this case Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, you'll arrive at a dedicated transfer screen. Click the blue Transfer Points button to initiate the account linking process. This brings up the Add Loyalty Account interface, which establishes the bridge between your Chase profile and your destination partner. Carefully type your exact loyalty number into the empty field, verify it is correct, and then click Continue. Next, you will define the size of your transfer. The page displays your available Chase balance and a field for the exact amount you wish to export. Remember, transfers require minimum increments of 1,000 points. Type your amount and hit Continue. Inputting your loyalty number accurately and strictly following those 1,000 point increments ensures your transfer pipeline processes smoothly without bouncing the request. You are now looking at the final review screen, the last point of verification before the points officially leave your account. Double-check your loyalty number, the point total, and the estimated transfer time. Once absolutely certain, click Confirm Transfer. The interface will immediately display a green checkmark, indicating that your transaction has successfully entered the system. As a first layer of secondary verification, Chase will automatically generate an email receipt confirming that your points transfer is in progress. You can also monitor the real-time processing status internally by checking the Activity tab on your Ultimate Rewards dashboard. For your final verification step, log directly into the external travel partner's website or app to confirm the miles have successfully deposited into your destination account. By cross-referencing this UI confirmation, your email receipt, the Chase activity log, and the partner's balance, you maintain total visibility over your points, even during brief processing delays. Before we finish, let's review the specific rules on this final notes page. Transfers are final. Once initiated, points can never be returned. Processing times vary. Many occur instantly. Others take up to 7 business days. Finally, 1,000 Chase points equal 1,000 partner miles. Understanding these processing windows, accepting the transaction's irreversible nature, and executing against exact ratios are the final steps in mastering strategic reward travel.